perfectly smoked. It's a great surprise. Because there underneath, of course, is that lovely nutty artichoke puree. Crispy bits of onion running across the top of it. Yeah, great classic cooking elevated to a fantastic sandwich. That is an absolute triumph. The beef is good though. Your Pom Anna is beautiful. It's firm, yet it's buttery, the puree is smooth. Nuttiness, sweetness, bitterness. That is outstanding.
David's dessert is a pistachio and tonka bean panna cotta served with macerated strawberries and raspberries on a pistachio crumble.